Welcome to my code tutorials YouTube channel. In this video we will see how we can write a C program to display the size of character, integer and float types in C programming language. In C programming language, an operator is available with the name of sizeof. This operator returns the number of bytes that are used to store a particular type of value. This operator can be used with values, or it can be used with a variable, or it can be used with a data type, or it can be used with an expression. For example, 4 plus 8.5. And if any expression is used, what it does is it evaluates this expression, and depending on the type of the result of this expression, it will display the number of bytes that are required to store that type of value. Now here we will display the size of characters, integers and floating point types. Here I will use the printf function, and first we will display the number of bytes used for storing the character types in the compiler that we are using. So here I will say size of char, and then here I will have the format specifier %zu, and then I will insert a new line, and here we will use the sizeof operator, and here we will use it with the data type char. Now we will display the size of integer types in C programming language. With integers in C, we have short integers, long integers and long integers. We will display the size of all of them. So I will copy and paste this printf, and here I will say size of short int, and here instead of char I will use short int, and then I will copy this, paste it one more time, and this time I will say int, and here we will use int data type with the size of, and then we will paste it one more time, and this time we will say long int, and here we will have long int, and then we have the long int. So we will specify that here in this message, and then here with the size of we will say long int. Now finally we will display the size of for the data types which are there for storing the real numbers. We have float, double and long double. So I will have this printf function in here, and I will say size of float, and with the size of operator I will use the float data type. Similarly we will say size of double, and here we will use the size of double, and finally we will use it with the long double. So here I will say size of long double, and here we will say long double. That's it. We have written the C program in here, and it will display the number of bytes that are used to store each type of value. Now we will save this program and we will run this. In this compiler that I'm using, the size of char is 1 bytes, size of short int is 2 bytes, size of int is 4 bytes, for long int it is 4 bytes, for long int 8 bytes, for float 4 bytes, for double 8 bytes, and for long double 16 bytes of memory are used. So this is it guys for this particular video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.